Get excited about the 2010 GMC Acadia. It features an automatic transmission, all-wheel drive, and a refined 6-cylinder engine. It's equipped with tons of terrific amenities, but it won't break your budget, such as remote keyless entry, leather upholstery, front and rear reading lights, power front seats, heated seats, a power liftgate, and cruise control. Third-row seats provide an even greater maximum passenger capacity. Enjoy your favorite music via the stereo system, which includes a CD player with MP3 capability, rear-mounted audio controls, steering wheel-mounted audio controls, and 10 speakers, providing excellent sound throughout the cabin. Passengers are protected by various safety and security features, including traction control, brake assist, a panic alarm, OnStar, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. For added security, Dynamic Stability Control supplements the drivetrain. It also arrives with a Carfax history report, providing you peace of mind with detailed information. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.